Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Raghavendra Mysore. In today's class, we are solving the problem 4 from exercise 1 from the unit of arithmetic progression. So I have written the question here. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So the question is with respect to the compound interest. We need to convert this situation in the form of sequence of an AP, and we need to identify whether that sequence belongs to AP or not. Before that, since the question is with respect to compound interest, we need to know the formula of compound interest. Compound interest is equal to principal of 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n. So compound interest is equal to P of 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n. We will try to identify the notations. P means principal, r means rate of interest, n means time period. I hope that you have understood. P means principal, r means rate of interest, n means time period. Okay, we already know the principal. P is what? 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest 8% per annum. Per annum means for every year. So time period is with respect to every year. Now I will write down here below that compound interest. First year, second year, third, fourth, like that it continues. Compound interest, now we will try to substitute in this particular formula. I will do the working at one corner here. So compound interest for first year, it is principal, it is 10,000 of 1 plus 8, rate of interest is 8%, whole to the by 100 whole to the power of 1. So whole to the power of 1 means that we are going to get the same thing. So for the first year, the compound interest is 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100. For the second year, everything remains same, only what is changing? Year. Second year means instead of writing 1, you have written for the first year it is 1. For the second year, we need to write it as 2. So 10,000 as it is plus 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2. Similarly, for the next one, 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 3. Like that it continues. Now first we will try to find out the common difference. So it is second term minus first term. So what is the value of second term? It is 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2 minus first term, it is also having 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100. Friends, you can see here 10,000 is the common factor. First I will take out 10,000 as the common factor inside this big bracket. What is left out here? In the first term, it is 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2 minus, here 10,000 is already outside here, so it is 1 plus 8 by 100. Close the bracket. Now once again we can find out the common factor in between these two terms. It just looks like a square minus a, which is the common factor we can take between a square and a. So if I take a as common factor, we can write it as a minus 1, because a is already out. A into a square, plus into minus, minus a into 1 a. So like that itself, this entire term is in the form of a square, this in the form of a. So if I take out it as common factor as 1 plus 8 by 100, so what is left out here? So another 1 plus 8 by 100, because square was there, among that 1 I have taken out, 1 is left out, minus the whole thing is I have taken out. So if I want to get the same thing, means I need to multiply this with 1. $10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100. I'm going to remove this small bracket here. 1 plus 8 by 100 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancels on the either side. So I will write down the next sheet. So common difference is 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100, which was we have taken as common factor, and the remaining is 8 by 100. I hope that you can understand here. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancels, 8 by 100 was remaining. So this is the common difference between second and first term. We need to find out if we get the same common difference for the third and second term, then our AP, the sequence belongs to AP. Otherwise, it doesn't belong to an AP. We will try to find out the common difference between third term minus second term. We already know what is the third term. It is 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of what? 3 here, minus 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2. Now we will take out the common factor very easily. 10,000 is there, 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 3. Here it is 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2. So whichever the power is lesser, we can take out as it as common factor. So 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2, because 3 is bigger than 2, so I am taking 2 as the common factor outside. So it is just like this. In a cube, if I take out a square, what is remaining? A is remaining, like that itself. In 1 plus 8 by 100 whole cube, if I take out 1 plus 8 by 100 square, means whole square, means I can write here 1 plus 8 by 100. This is the common factor. This is the factor which is present after taking out the common factor, minus, you can see in the second term everything is taken out here, so minus 1 I will be writing here. So 10,000 of 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square, I'm going to remove this bracket, 1 plus 8 by 100 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancels. 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square to 8 by 100. See, in the common difference between the second and first term, I have written here on top. The common difference between third and second term, I have written here. Even though it appears the same, one small change is there. What is the change? In between 1 plus 8 by 100. Here it is 1 plus 8 by 100. If there is no power, it is understood 1 is there. Here what is the power? Square. 2 is the power. So the entire value is going to change. How does it change? Let us consider 10,000 as 3. To make it an example, to give you an example, I am considering 10,000 as 3 and 8 by 100 as 4. Okay, and this 1 plus 8 by 100 as 2. Hope that you can understand here. This is the common difference in the between the first case. What is the common difference between the second case? 10,000 as 3 and 8 by 100 as 4. Now 1 plus 8 by 100 as 2, we know that, but here it is, the power is 2. If I write 2, so if I multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Here what happens? 3 into 4 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. Whether these two values are same? They are not equal. Similarly, these two common differences are not equal. So I can write, I will write on T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, the given situation does not belongs to an AP. Reason I have written here itself, because the differences between first and second term is not equal to the differences between third and second term. I hope that you people have understood. So thanks for watching the video, friends. Subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my channel. Thank you, friends.